the goalie kind of half passed it to the kid. Oh!
Now, why was that kid kicking the ball? It should have been the goalie kicking the ball there.
Well, you can have somebody else do the goal kick. Oh, go!
Nice one. Yeah, good run, good run.
I think Leo just shot up too. He got really tall. They took it. They took it up. Oh, Etty can't get past that.
Pretty sure he's too old for the. But they neneeded him to. They didn't have enough players.
He's really good though. It's fun to get past him.
But he's not trying to.
Nice stop.
He's not trying to.